semua. So hari ni saya nak buat haul untuk L'Oreal Paris Malaysia dan SC Johnson sebab semalam parcel sampai. Tapi I was so impatient, so I dah buka. Let's see together what's inside. Okay, so the first box is from L'Oreal Paris. I bought all of these products from official store in Shopee. Let's open it. Okay, so I have wrote everything in my book, L'Oreal Paris haul. So the first item that I bought is this. This is a 100 milliliter pack. I bought 2 because it was a buy one free one offer.
Oh!
They're glasses. Oh my god. This is L'Oreal Paris ELSEVE Extraordinary Oil for hair treatment. What is that? That's like straight French. Éclat Impérial. I don't know, I'm sorry. So with French rose oil, millions of reflections, supreme nutrition and control. The original price was RM97.80. RM97.80, but I bought them at only RM48.90. Wow, dah lah di pump. That's that. The next thing is this thing. Extraordinary Oil Premium Shampoo for sleek hair. Kau nampak tak? The L'Oreal Paris Malaysia official store in Shopee. The products are very well packed. Kudos to them. Dia tak nak ada leakage. So yeah, good job. L'Oreal Paris, Shopee, good job. Okay, so this is the shampoo infused with amber cedarwood oil. Sleekness plus 98% silicone free in one use. That's the thing.
Deeply hydrates dry and frizzy hair, smoothens coarse and tangled hair, fights split ends.
So I didn't buy the conditioner because I really love the current conditioner that I have. Also from L'Oreal Paris. I will show you guys after this. So these are the shampoo and the conditioner. L'Oreal Paris ELSEVE for Resist 3 times anti-hair fall shampoo. For scalp and hair, this one is shampoo with arginine and this one is conditioner. So cantik. Look at the consistency, very rich. Oh, so the original price was RM39.90, RM39.90, 440 milliliter. I bought it for only RM27.93. Promotion price, very berbaloi. I bought it during payday sale on Shopee, if I'm not mistaken. So the promotion was going really crazily on Shopee that day. I was one of the crazy buyers. Next thing I bought is REVITALIFT Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Gently cleanses and hydrates for plumpy skin. Look at that. They packed it very well. I'm just the consistency. I think this is gonna be a long video. If it's gonna be a long video, watch it till the end. Okay, so this is the consistency. Ooh, jelly. Maybe I will like start speaking in Malay. Maybe. Harga asal dia RM29.90, but saya beli dengan harga promosi hanya RM22.43 sahaja. Disebabkan saya beli ini dan ni, it was like over RM80. So I dapat free gift, 4-piece free gifts. These 4 free gifts worth RM83.70. Kau rasa? Got them for free. So the first item from the free gifts is L'Oreal Paris ELSEVE Extraordinary Oil, pink, right? For frizzy hair. This one is for all hair types. So I got like 6 drops of the oil.
For exceptional nourishment, for sumptuous softness and luxurious shine.
Gitu. Gitu. The next thing I got from this free gift is REVITALIFT Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser, but 50 ml. So comel. I'm gonna ask my brother to use this. I'm gonna give this to him, and this is really suitable for traveling. I can put it in my bag, you know, like those kind of stuff. The next thing I got is REVITALIFT Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream Day. Look at that. Nak buka boleh tak? Skin loses moisture with age and youthful radiance starts to decline, accelerating the appearance of aging signs. Dullness, loss of plumpiness, and fine lines become even more visible. Maybe I'm gonna give this to my mom. So I'm not that skincare type of girl. Maybe this will be given to my mother. Dia cakap nak cakap Malay. Cakap Malay balik. Okay. Hadiah percuma seterusnya dari Loyal Pagi Official Store adalah Hyaluronic Acid Serum 7.5ml. So cute. The next thing that I bought from Loyal Pagi is Loyal Pagi UV Defender. UV Serum Protector protects from signs of aging. So this is claimed to protect you from wrinkles, dark spots and dull skin. Malay. Okay, kita buka. Inilah dia sunscreen kita. Screen matahari gitu. Applicator dia pun sangat comel. Ada dua jenis finishing lah. Satu matte untuk oily skin and satu lagi yang normal untuk normal skin. Matte and fresh finishing. No residue, no shine, non-sticky. UV Defender. Harga dia originally RM75.90. RM75.90. But the promotion price was RM53.13. RM53.13. Dapat lagi free gift sebab spend over RM50. Terkejut saya. So I spent more than RM50. So I got another free gifts. 2-piece set free gift. They are worth RM38.90. RM38.90 ya. So that's the two. Tak payah buka kot. So kita buat some summary sikit, okay? Original price dia plus free gift should be RM366.10. The promotional pricing minus the free gift will be RM152.39. And then plus shipping, I tak dapat shipping because all of my shipping vouchers were used. But I redeemed my coins, RM29.36. So I spent only RM127.53. RM127.53. Saya jimat RM238.57. I dapat cashback RM53.64. Bangga. Okay, so I dapat balik RM53.64. Jadinya I spend RM73.89 sahaja for the products. Gitulah cerita dia. Okay, so the next box macam ni lah. Kalau you beli daripada Shopee Mall, you tak payah risau. Packaging dia tip top. So I bought Glade Auto Spray Refill 175 gram. Tada! Letak Glade gitu, I beli banyak. I beli 3. Gitu. Okay. Peony and Berry Bliss, I bought 3. So the original price was RM18.90. RM18.90. Almost RM19. I bought this at only RM14.40. RM14.40. But microfiber cloth. Baru guna yang spray-spray tu. Kalau tak guna yang gel.
Bau dia sangat sedap. You all kena cuba.
Harga asal RM56.70. And then I bought it at only RM43.20. And then there was a shop voucher minus RM4. Pula Shopee voucher minus RM5. I redeem coins I RM8.55. Untuk 3 botol ini I hanya bayar RM25.65. RM25.65. Dan I dapat 10 sen je sebab AC Johnson ni dia baru join Shopee. So dia belum ada cashback 10% tu. So I tak dapat lah cashback 10%. But the thing is, I saved RM31.05 dan dapat pula free gift and dapat lagi free shipping. Macam L'Oreal pagi tadi I kena bayar shipping sebab voucher I dah habis. Ini voucher I ada lagi. So dapatlah free shipping. Okay, that's all from me. If you guys enjoy the video, please give this video a thumbs up. It's nice to see you guys again, and saya pun dah nak mula belajar balik. Happy studying, happy back to school, stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.